Skip, you spoke in your lecture about youth workers planning pilgrimages and retreats for their youth groups. Let's say someone is starting fresh doing this kind of work. How would they begin to plan something of that magnitude?
Yeah, I think the first thing to hold in mind, Jill, is that we're going to talk a lot, we did in the lecture, we will today, about how to be intentional about nurturing the prospect of transformation on a retreat. But any youth worker should hold two thoughts in mind. Just doing a retreat is going to be transformational. Mm-hmm. It's great to be intentional about it, but creating space in your time, creating space in the young people's time, over against the withering competition of demands for time is going to be transformational, because if you have a community of young people together for a day and a half, you're going to have time together that will transform their relationship with one another and with you. And whatever your programming, however intentional or however mediocre or however spontaneous, you will move the ball in good ways and if in unfortunate in some bad ways, but there's going to be movement just by the fact that you're having a retreat. So the first thing I want to lift up is the fact that the retreat itself can be and almost always will be a good thing and is worth fighting for in a church schedule. But I think in the rest of our conversations, we might just expand on the idea about whether the ball moves in a positive direction or not, whether it is transformational, and whether it is enduring is going to depend on whether you're intentional about how you plan, anticipate, and lead the retreat.
Mm-hmm.